Just want to share the random items I got from Shopee. By the way, I'm not being paid by the brands that will be shown in the video. This shoe organizer, I got it for 28 pesos only. Easy to assemble and is sturdy enough to hold the shoes. Right here is the Xiaomi weighing scale that I had for a year already. You can monitor your weight using the app. Since my baby is watching me, let me test it on her so you can see how it works. This is the second check to see if the weight is accurate. Look at this Xiaomi microwave oven. It has multiple functions like quick heat, defrost frozen food, disinfect and cook various recipes. I love the minimalistic design. The inside is simple so it's easy to clean. Language is in Chinese, but you can use the Mi Home app for easier navigation. Let me reheat my baby's food. Quick heat is automatically set for 1 minute. While waiting, here's a quick view of the app. And it's done. Moving on, this is a smart rice cooker from Kyowa. It has functions like slow cook, quick cook, soup, porridge, mixed rice, and low sugar, which is perfect if you're on a diet. I use Quick Cook to cook the rice normally. This rice dispenser is a perfect match for the rice cooker. It can hold up to 5 kilograms of rice. They look cute together. This Xiaomi portable blender is one of my favorite too. Looks like a tumbler and is rechargeable so you can bring it anywhere. Look how powerful the blade is. I'll be sharing the link of these items in the comment section. Let me feature this dog again as she's patiently waiting for her food.